Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton is rejecting claims that he should bear the responsibility for procurement breaches at the University Hospital of the West Indies. Dr. Tufton says blame rests squarely with those who deal with procurement at the health facility.
More than a week after the Auditor General's report exposed serious breaches at the University Hospital of the West Indies, public concern continues to mount. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton, who appointed a committee to investigate the findings, is now facing intense criticism. Despite this, Dr. Tufton is distancing himself from the fallout, saying the matter is complex and rooted in long-standing systematic challenges.
Free media is filled with distractions, and unfortunately it's an opportunity for persons to comment and to pursue their ambitions.
Dr. Tufton says those responsible for procurement are the ones who should be held accountable.
For example, you have a development program for the University Hospital that started at the University of the West Indies, where resources were provided to support the design of a new building. As a case in point, that resource was determined through another institution, government in the Caribbean, and was administered through the University of the West Indies. So what we need to do is to assess in its totality against the report how these layers of authority work.
In the meantime, Dr. Tufton says he is actively working to address the internal issues highlighted in the report as investigations continue.
I have to allow that process to take its course, and I've given that committee 4 months, and they have graciously agreed. And I think in the meantime what we need to do is to support the operations of the university, which is a very critical institution for training of healthcare workers, for research in healthcare, and of course we're providing tertiary level, higher level service in terms of patient care. And we always have to give that institution that support while we work on some of the other issues.
Carrie Simpson, TVJ News.